You close your eyes, settling into your favorite chair as the soft glow of starlight filters through your window. As you breathe deeply, you feel yourself drifting away from the familiar confines of your room. Suddenly, you're floating in the vast expanse of space, surrounded by twinkling stars and swirling galaxies. But something feels different tonight. The cosmos seems to be whispering secrets, hinting at mysteries beyond our comprehension. As you drift through this celestial dreamscape, a peculiar thought enters your mind. What if space and time themselves have memory? It's a concept that sounds like science fiction, yet recent discoveries in quantum physics suggest it might not be as far-fetched as we once believed. Imagine for a moment that every point in space-time is like a tiny computer, constantly processing and storing information. These quantum bits, or qubits, form an intricate web across the universe, creating what scientists call the quantum memory matrix. It's as if the fabric of reality itself is imbued with consciousness, remembering every event that has ever occurred. You reach out, your fingers brushing against the gossamer threads of this cosmic tapestry. To your amazement, you can feel the vibrations of ancient stars, long since extinguished, their light still traveling through the vastness of space. It's a haunting reminder of how the past and present are inextricably linked in ways we're only beginning to understand. As you ponder this mind-bending concept, you recall the words of renowned physicist John Wheeler. The universe is not a big machine. It's a big thought. Perhaps he was onto something more profound than even he realized. But wait, you think to yourself with a chuckle, if space-time has memory, does that mean it also forgets things? Like misplacing its cosmic keys, or forgetting which galaxy it parked the Milky Way in. The absurdity of the thought brings a smile to your face, reminding you that even in the face of the universe's greatest mysteries, there's always room for a bit of humor. Your cosmic journey continues, and you find yourself approaching the event horizon of a supermassive black hole. As you peer into its inky depths, you can't help but wonder, could these enigmatic objects be the hard drives of the universe, storing unfathomable amounts of information in their singularities? Recent research from the European Space Agency suggests that black holes might indeed play a crucial role in cosmic information storage. As matter falls into a black hole, its information isn't truly destroyed, but rather encoded on the event horizon, creating a holographic imprint of everything that's ever entered its grasp. You float at the edge of this cosmic abyss, marveling at the dance of light and shadow around its perimeter. It's as if you can almost see the memories of countless stars and planets swirling in its gravitational embrace, their stories preserved for eternity in the black hole's quantum memory. As you ponder the implications of this cosmic hard drive, you're reminded of a quote from the brilliant Stephen Hawking. "I think the human race has no future if it doesn't go to space." Perhaps he understood that our destiny is intertwined with these celestial memory banks, waiting for us to unlock their secrets. But the mysteries of quantum memory don't end with black holes. Your mind wanders to the concept of quantum entanglement, a phenomenon so bizarre that Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. Imagine two particles, separated by vast distances, yet inexplicably linked. When you measure one, you instantly know the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Could this entanglement be the key to understanding how the universe stores and processes information across the vastness of space-time? You picture yourself as one of these entangled particles, connected to another version of you in a distant galaxy. What memories might you share across the cosmos? As you contemplate this mind-bending possibility, you can't help but laugh at the absurdity of it all. Here you are, a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe, pondering questions that have puzzled the greatest minds in history. It's both humbling and exhilarating to realize how much we still have to learn about the nature of reality. Your cosmic journey takes an unexpected turn as you find yourself shrinking, diving deep into the quantum realm. Here, in this microscopic world of probability and uncertainty, you witness firsthand the bizarre behavior of subatomic particles. They seem to flicker in and out of existence, existing in multiple states simultaneously until observed. You recall the famous double-slit experiment, where individual particles somehow remember which path they took, even when not directly observed. It's as if these tiny building blocks of matter have their own form of memory, influencing the very fabric of reality itself. As you marvel at this quantum dance, you're reminded of a quote from the renowned physicist Richard Feynman: "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics." You chuckle to yourself, realizing how true those words ring as you witness the mind-bending phenomena firsthand. But even in this realm of uncertainty, patterns emerge. You notice how particles seem to communicate instantaneously across vast distances, defying our classical understanding of cause and effect. Could this be another manifestation of the universe's quantum memory at work? Your mind reels at the implications. If even the tiniest particles carry some form of memory, influencing the world around them in ways we're only beginning to understand, what does that mean for our concept of free will? Are our choices truly our own? Or are they influenced by the cosmic memory matrix in ways we can't perceive? As you ponder this philosophical quandary, you feel a gentle tug pulling you back to the macro world. You find yourself once again floating among the stars, but now you see the universe with new eyes. Every glittering point of light, every swirling galaxy, seems to pulse with hidden information, a vast network of cosmic memory waiting to be deciphered. You recall the words of Carl Sagan: "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." Perhaps this quantum memory matrix is the universe's way of preserving its own history, with conscious beings like ourselves acting as the observers that bring these memories into focus. As your cosmic journey nears its end, you're left with more questions than answers. If space-time truly has memory, what forgotten wonders might be waiting for us to rediscover? What ancient cosmic wisdom could be encoded in the very fabric of reality, patiently waiting for us to evolve the tools to access it? You feel yourself slowly drifting back towards Earth, the familiar blue marble growing larger in your field of view. As you descend through wispy clouds, you can't help but smile at the incredible journey you've just experienced. The world around you may seem unchanged, but you know that you'll never look at reality quite the same way again. As you settle back into your cozy chair, the starlight still twinkling through your window, a final thought crosses your mind. If space-time truly has memory, then perhaps every moment of wonder, every act of kindness, and every spark of curiosity leaves an indelible mark on the cosmos. In that sense, aren't we all co-authors of the universe's ongoing story? You close your eyes, feeling the weight of this cosmic revelation. As sleep begins to overtake you, one last question lingers on the edge of your consciousness. If the universe remembers, what will it recall of your journey through its vast expanse? And with that tantalizing thought, you drift off into dreams filled with quantum mysteries and cosmic wonders, eager to see what new adventures await in the realms of space, time, and memory.